Here's the thing. Your masculine containment has got to see her feminine feeling and bring it back in. What that looks like, stop the fucking texting back and forth. It doesn't work. She's not able to feel you. Look, we're not gonna do this way. The way she's back on your lap, I got you, boo. We're not gonna continue to do this through text. Get in person, cause that is the commitment to she is the priority. That will address the feeling of, oh, he really does care. Because remember, you also dropped a message today, yo, you with it or not. She's still willing to follow. She's still looking back, hoping to get on the train before it leaves the station. That's why the day didn't go out before you got a text. She can't let it go. It's not over. You just left her with an ultimatum to get the fuck off or get with the program. She's still following, trying to figure out how to get with the program. She needs the masculine lead to look over all the emotion, look over all the bullshit and come with, yo, baby girl, sit down, I got you. Look, this is how we're gonna do this. This is how it works going west. This is what this is what you signed up for. And feeling, she has to feel you got her. That's not gonna show up in your favor or with velocity or power to continue the text. You recognize there's a missing of the feeling, there's a missing of the feminine actually being addressed. Continuing that route is gonna be a long road. Whereas in person, you can that brings presence, it brings priority. There's so much that you can't say or do the right way through a text by just taking the lead on the shit and letting her know it's your priority, that she knows you got her. Is what you're hoping for, your ideal, your expectation of a relationship with a feminine partner that you love and fulfills all those things, is that worth it? That's the payout. It's a thankless job and it has a reward for you. You have her in your life. You have her in your containment. You have her to enjoy. That feminine partnership is there. Is that worth it?